We moved in April of 1981, Easter weekend. It was a new house. There weren't any houses developed in this area, just the ones across the street and then this neighborhood here, and then one house on the corner. So it was a new neighborhood. But as the time went on, I'd say about 9 years ago, it started to start with a hairline crack, and as the years went on, it just got worse and worse and worse. It started to separate the walls and the ceiling, and it starts to where the doors won't close, the windows don't close properly. Over time, it just got worse. I knew it was going to be very expensive, and when I heard about this program and the help that was available, that to me, that was just the best thing that I could do and the only way that I could turn to.